Very good morning, students. So, today we are going to start with chapter 19, Congruency, Congruent Triangles. So, this is your first session. We will start with introduction and the details of the congruent triangles. It will be very helpful because recently we have completed triangles, and that is the similar chapter which we are taking now, chapter 19. So I think it won't be very difficult for you to understand this chapter. Clear? So let's start. First of all, what do you mean by the congruency? So first I am writing the definition of congruency. Okay. So what do you mean by the congruency? If two geometrical figures, coincide exactly by placing one over the other, the figure are said to be congruent to each other. The figure are said to be congruent to each other. Understood? If two geometrical figure coincide means they are just kept on one over the other. Okay, by placing one over the other, clear? The figure are said to be congruent to each other. Clear? And congruent figures have same shape and size. So I'm writing here congruent figure have same shape and size. Clear? So this is the definition of congruency. Let us understand. Now see, suppose I am drawing two lines. Okay, two lines, and let us name this AB and this is CD. Okay. And these are equal. Okay, so when I am placing this AB upon CD, see, when I am placing this AB upon CD, okay, this should be of same length. Okay, so you can see that the two lines AB and CD, AB and CD coincide each other. And they are said to be congruent if the length are equal of both this line. Clear? Now see the second condition. This figure is given to us. So this is A, B, C and D. Okay. Then the sides are equal. 3 sides are given to you. 4 sides. Clear? This 4 sides are given. And similarly in this also. Then this. And this is P, Q, R and S. Okay. So this is the figure. Okay. Now if we have to see that these two figures are congruent to each other, so by placing, let me write condition 2. Okay. So if we have to see whether these two figures are congruent to each other, so if we place figure A, B, C, D on P, Q, R and S. If we take out this figure and just place on this figure. So I have written this: if we place figure A, B, C, D on P, Q, R, S, or vice versa, if we take this figure and keep on this figure, so what will be the condition for their congruent? Okay, so the two figure exactly coincide. Okay, that is, I'm writing here, the two figure should exactly coincide. Coincide means it should come properly on one upon the other. Okay, that means A should coincide with P. Okay, A coincide with P, then B should coincide with Q, B coincide with Q, then D should coincide with S, and C should coincide with R. So this is the proper condition in which we can say that these two figures are congruent to each other. Clear? Just take a look. We can, if you want, you can write it like this: angle A equals to angle P, then angle B equals to angle Q, coincide means equal, and angle D equals to angle S, and angle C equals to angle R. This is the condition for the congruency. Clear? So let us see the next topic, in which we will see the congruency in triangles. So our next topic is congruency in triangles. Congruency in triangles. Okay, let us understand it with a figure. Okay, so let us understand this congruency in triangles with a figure. So I'm drawing a figure. Okay, then the vertex is given as A, then B and C. Clear? And here the vertex is D, then E and F. Okay, and this side angles are given. Okay, then similarly towards this side also. So now we have to see for this condition in this also. In this condition we have to see whether these two triangles are congruent or not. So when we place this triangle on this, means when we take out this ABC and just place it on DEF. So if we place triangle ABC on triangle DEF, okay, so angle A will be equals to angle D, means angle A should come exactly upon angle D, then angle B should exactly come upon angle E, and angle C should exactly come upon angle F. So if this is happening and this is of same shape and size, okay, so according to the given condition the two triangles are congruent to each other. Clear? Take a closer look, then we will move on to the next topic. Yes, see, one thing is that is left, and this is the symbol that is used for congruency. The symbol used for congruency is it is like this, or it will be like this. Clear? These are the two symbols which is used for showing the congruency. So according to this, I am rubbing this side. So angle ABC is congruent to DEF. If we have to show, so we will show it like this. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, or we can show like this also, and triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DE and F. Clear? This is the two symbols for showing the congruency. Clear? So let's move on to the next topic. So now our next topic is corresponding side and angle. Okay, we will see what is corresponding side and corresponding angle. Okay, so according to this figure which we have already seen, okay, if ABC and DEF are congruent to each other, the sides of the two triangle, okay, first I am writing, if triangle ABC ABC. So now say the condition, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. So in this case, if two sides which is coinciding with each other, okay, suppose two sides such as AB is equals to DE, or we can say AC equals to DF. Okay, these two sides are coming exactly on one another, so they are called corresponding side. Corresponding side. Clear? And in case of an angle, corresponding angle, if angle A is exactly coming on angle D, if angle A is exactly coming on angle D, and angle B is exactly coming on angle E, okay, means coinciding, and angle C is coinciding with angle F. Okay, coincide on each other. Okay, so they are called corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Clear? Take a look. If two sides are coinciding with each other, they are called corresponding side, and if two angles are coinciding on each other, they are called corresponding angle. Clear? So let's move on to our next topic. So now our next topic is conditions for congruency. Conditions for congruency. So children, there are basically 5 kind of condition which is given to us, and in this session we will see 2 kind of condition, and rest 3 condition and the question which is based on this conditions we will see in the next session. Clear? So our first condition is, if, let me draw the figure first so that you may understand very well. The 2 triangles are given to us, okay, and we name it as A, B and C, and this will be D, E and F. Okay, this side is equals to this side, then this is equals to this side, and this side is equals to this side. So now we will see the condition that if 3 sides, there are 3 sides given to you in the figure. If 3 sides of one triangle are equal to 3 sides of the other triangle, are equal to the three sides of other triangle. You can see that these three sides are equal to the these three sides of the other triangle. Okay, then the two triangles are congruent. Then these two triangles are congruent. Okay, and the condition is known as side side side. Okay, the condition for their congruency is side side side, because their sides are equal to the other side of the other triangle, and by the abbreviation we can write it as S, S and S. Clear? So this was the first condition by which we can prove that the two triangles which is given to us is congruent. So now our next condition is first I'm drawing the figure. Okay, these two triangles are given. X, Y and Z, and this is A, B and C. Then this is 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. Okay, and this is 6 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. Then the angles are being marked at vertex X and vertex B. Clear? Now let us see the condition. If two sides and the included angle, if two sides and the included angle, if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to two sides and the included angle of the other triangle are equal to two side and included angle of the other triangle, the two angles are said to be congruent. Okay, so I will write here again. If two sides and the included angle are equals to the other two sides of the included angle, okay, the two triangles are said to be the two triangle are said to be congruent. Clear? If you can, if you need, you can show the working also. In the previous one also, in which we have seen the condition side. In that there was also a working. So I'm showing the working here. So the two side means AB is equals to XZ. Okay, and BC is equals to XY. These are the two sides. Okay, and angle ABC is equals to angle ZXY. Angle ABC is equals to angle ZXY. Okay, so they are said to be congruent. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle X, that will be ZXY. Clear? ZXY, and this is the symbol for showing the congruency. Okay, so what will be the condition? That will be, the condition is side angle side. Okay, or we can write in abbreviation SAS. Clear? In which one angle and the two sides are equals to the other side of the triangle, including the angle. So this is the condition for the congruency, and the condition is side angle side. Clear? So with this we are ending our first session, and in the next session we will see the other three conditions of congruency. Thank you.